Hope you know what I'm thinking.
My son, please, just take that, please. Please, just take that.
Bro, sorry.
You know what? Stay with your brother. Let me go out and call those people cooking so that they should stop cooking, please. My son, please. Please, I'm coming. Hi.
Go with Mama.
You will be fine.
I said, go with Mama.
Let's go.
If it's a question of my heart, you got it. It don't belong
Hi baby,
to
I can't wait for next time, man.
Yeah.
but you. Yeah, if it's a question of my love,
Yeah?
I enjoyed myself, man. Yes. Metro. I've been wanting to ask you this for a very long time, and actually today is the perfect time for me to date. And I want to spend the rest of my life. I want you to be the mother of our children. I want us to travel the world together. Which you know I love you already.
Love.
Yeah. So please, Nesho, you make me the happiest man on earth today by being my wife. Will you marry me?
Hey.
Marry you?
Say yes. Say yes now.
Yes, I'll marry you.
Okay, congrats, madam, congrats. Congratulations. Congrats. God will bless your home.
Yeah.
Yes. Wow,
Yeah.
this is Simon.
Yes.
Oh my God, it's so beautiful. What is going on? What exactly is going on? I mean, I don't even know what to think anymore. It's been 2 whole years, and everything is just opposite of who he is. This is not who we used to be. God, or did I do something wrong? Even if I did something, what could it be? What could make him not even look at me and see me the same way? No, I must ask him. I need to confront him. Yes, that is exactly what I will do. Hey, babe.
Hi.
Hey.
It's time for me to eat my lunch and I'm not seeing the food on the dining. What's happening?
Oh, I made it earlier.
Please, I need it hot and warm. Can microwave it and drop it at the dining? I'm at the dining.
Okay, babe, wait. There's something I want to ask you.
Can I eat my food?
Yes, you will. You will. I don't know. What is going on?
I don't understand what is going on. How? I need my food.
I know your food is going to be ready in a few minutes. I want you to tell me, talk to me, what is going on?
You tell me, is anything going on or is anything happening?
Look at us. It's been 2 years. There is no connection, no touch, no. We haven't even done anything. I mean, I'm your wife.
Am I complaining?
But I am.
Oh, you are complaining. Please, my food. I'm hungry.
Baby, please, talk to me now. I have blood flowing in my veins.
What exactly do you want me to talk about? The fact that I'm hungry now and you are starving me.
But you are also starving me. If you know you are not capable to do it, I will go outside and look for somebody who will do it for me.
What did you say?
Please, please.
What did I just say?
Please, please.
You will look for someone else.
No, it's just a joke. It's just a joke. Please,
you will look for someone else.
Me, please, I beg you.
You will look for someone else.
No. I was just
Did
joking.
I hear you well?
I was just joking.
You were just joking?
Yes.
And I will tell you that what you just said, it's off limits of any such in this house. Do you hear me? No, my food! Okay. 2 years. It's just the beginning.
Mama, you called for this meeting and you have to make it snappy because I have somewhere to go. So you asked me to sit here, I don't understand. So Mama, what is it?
My son, what is it? You are asking, be patient now. I'm the one that called for the meeting. I called for this meeting for a reason. Because I feel it is time. In fact, though from the beginning I was happy, but also surprised. But, well, now that you are married, you are married. There is nothing I can say about it. But my own is that I need grandchildren.
Grandchildren. Mama, is it not somebody that has been touched that will produce?
What do you mean by that?
Thank you. Mama, ask your son. It's been so good years
What?
that we got married.
2 years? Oh, see, you mean since you people got married till now?
Hi.
My son.
Mama.
Why now? Is it because of what happened?
Mama, don't bring that into this. Don't bring that into this.
Wait, hold up. What happened?
Nothing happened. And nothing will happen between
I was not talking to you. Or you want to beat me? Beat me the way you always do. Because now I don't have bruises on my body.
Don't tempt me.
You people, wait. You
Don't tempt me.
Do you want to beat me?
I said don't tempt me.
I'm still sitting here now. I'm sitting here.
You are lucky, Mazel. You are lucky.
My son, take it easy now. My daughter-in-law. You said he's beating you.
Mama, do you know how many times your son has taken me to the hospital and dumped me there?
And you are lucky that you're still alive.
Ah!
That's not my intention. The wedding night. The wedding night, everything should have just ended that day.
I just asked you now, is it because of what happened?
What happened?
In fact, my daughter-in-law, I was surprised the day he proposed to you. Yes. Because I came with, in fact, the younger sister, myself, came with him that day to propose to you. And we saw you with a man on the bed.
Mama, I don't like this thing.
What is it?
Mama, I don't like this thing. Mama, I don't like this thing.
What is it that you don't like? You should have said it instead of not touching her and beating her all the time.
Wicked man. You are a wicked man.
You see, I'm a wicked man.
That is why you beat me every day.
I'm a wicked man.
You are a wicked man. You are a wicked man.
Just stop. Let him alone.
Do you know the pain you put me through? Coming back to my own house.
What is this?
Seeing you on the bed with another man because I told you I'm traveling for the weekend. You know I won't come back. Or something. I don't know what got into you. Don't I do you right? You cheated on me and you are saying I'm a wicked man.
Wait, please. Please, the two of you, wait. My son, after you have decided seeing such a thing, you went ahead to marry her. You have married her now. You should have told her all this long ago. Instead of just keeping her at home and beating her without touching her even. You didn't do what a husband and wife should do.
Mama, you say you want grandchildren.
I want grandchildren now that you are married.
No, I'm married. You see those grandchildren that you say you need? They're just 2 years. My plan is to starve her till 5 years. No one is leaving this marriage. No divorce. Anywhere she wants to go, anywhere she'll be going, she will see me there. So Mama, you have to wait. Thank you.
Have you seen? My people, I'm short of words. I don't know what to say anymore. Please, I need you to help me out. This decision my son has taken, or everything he's doing with the wife now, is it right? Please help me. As a mother, should I just be looking at them without grandchildren? 5 years!